Welcome back to Damon Creates. What do you think I will be doing today? What do you think I will be doing today? Well, this is a blendtec classic 575. We're going to make a strawberry smoothie. My strawberries right here from Costco. And then we got our blendtec blender over here. So I have the Go cup. I don't have the twister jar. I have the Go cup. And this is the wild side. Now there's a switch on. The O means that it's off. And then the 1 means that it's on. Now this is 3-prong cord. Okay? 3-prong heavy duty cord. So it's not going to snap or anything. 202 uses. I only had it for a couple months already. So we have the jar. Now NSF. It says NSF certified on there. Right here. Now I can take the lid off. Easily, like that. And then the lid just pops right off. So, I'm going to put 8 ounces of milk. So, I'll pause when that's done. Okay, got our 12 ounces of milk. Now, I have to add a little splash of vanilla extract. Here we go. Vanilla extract's in. And then I just got to grab some strawberries. There we go. If the ice maker is actually not jammed up, I will get some ice. Hold on, guys. Okay, guys.